Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on IOTA coin. Today I want to share with you a very big bullish setup of IOTA. Even it can be a biggest move of 2021 of IOTA coin. First of all, let me to show you this chart, which I shared on 30th of May for my members at the Patreon, and I also have been sharing this chart with you in my previous videos as well. And by the way, I'm also sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis at the Patreon. And if you would like to support me here, then I have also shared the link to join me here in the video's description. You can find there. Okay, first of all, let me show you this chart, and this was formed on the weekly time frame, and it was a very big bullish reversal cipher pattern. And you can see when I posted this chart, at that time the price action moved down here in this potential reversal zone and reversed back and hit the sell targets. And I told my members that we can wait for the price line to retrace back, and I'm expecting that it will give us another chance to catch it from the buying zone, and I'm expecting a big bullish reversal move from this cipher pattern. Now after playing the chart, we can see that the price action moved down and entered the buying zone again and moved up again. That was more than 200% move from this potential reversal zone. We can see it was moved down up to 57 cents and rallied up to $2.08 so far. Retraced back. Now we are having another green candlestick here. Now while the price line is moving up from this potential reversal zone, we had a correction here and we had a correction here, and you can see now we have this green candlestick appeared here. At the same time, the price line has also broken out this symmetrical triangle on the 4-hourly time frame, and you can see after breakout we have the closing of the next candlestick above this candlestick, which broke out this resistance of this symmetrical triangle on the 4-hourly time frame. And you might be thinking that I'm talking about the biggest move of 2021, but I am showing you the 4-hourly time frame chart. But this is really very important. This breakout right now is very important for a very big move, and I'll show you why. You can see that here we have the sell target of the symmetrical triangle, that is $2.15. That is the measurement from this tail of the triangle up to the support, and after placing it here at this breakout point, we have our next target approximately up to $2.15. And the technical stop loss after this breakout can be this last swing low, that is approximately at $1.48. And we can also use this support of the symmetrical triangle as the stop loss as well. Now after this breakout, while the price line can move here, it can trigger a very big move, because if we switch to the daily time frame, then here you can see while the price line was moving here, it was being consolidated at this level. That was in fact a distribution for the next sell-off. The price line rejected here and here as well, and final rejection we had here, and the price action moved down and formed this round shape cup and handle formation here. Now we have this this is the resistance of the cup, and this is the round shape body of the cup, and this is the handle. And we can see that we also have this 100 simple moving average moving to the upside to provide support to the price action very soon. This time right now there is a difference, there is a distance between the price line and 100 simple moving average, but it is now moving up to provide the support, and soon it will provide a very strong support for the price line. Now if I place the Fibonacci tool, let me draw this cup and handle again. This is the cup and this is the handle of this cup. Now I'm just going to place this Fibonacci tool from this bottom of the cup up to this resistance. Then you can see the price action retraced, moved down exactly at 0.50 Fibonacci level. That is the 50% of this body of the cup. That is an ideal formation of the cup and handle. Now let me to place these trend lines from here of the symmetrical triangle. I'm just copying this trend line from here, and I'm just going to paste it here, and this is the support of the symmetrical triangle, then you can see that this is in fact the handle of the cup. And if I zoom this chart more out, then even on the daily time frame, we had this symmetrical triangle formation that was more visible on the 4-hourly chart. Therefore, I was showing you here. And we have so many candlesticks being accumulated for the next big move above this resistance. And on the daily time frame, we are having first candlestick after this breakout that is retesting this previous resistance as a support. That is an ideal breakout, and then we can wait for the next candlestick to close above this candlestick, the highest price of this candlestick. That will be the final confirmation for the breakout, and after that confirmation we can expect a very big move. Now roughly, if I place this trend line at the breakout point, you can see this is the resistance of the cup approximately here. That is approximately at $2. Let me place this trend line exactly at $2. This is the resistance of this cup and handle, and after placing it here, we can just place this trend line from this bottom of the cup up to this resistance. And now I'm just going to place it above this breakout point, that is the resistance of the cup, because after breaking out this handle of the cup, soon we can expect that the price line will go for break out this $2 resistance level of this cup and handle. And after breaking out this level, our next target can be $3.33. However, after such a big bullish reversals, like previously we had this move that was on the weekly time frame, we had more than 200%. You can see that the price line even moved above the level, these targets levels, which I defined as per the Fibonacci sequence. If I move back in 2019, I shared this idea with you in my previous videos. If you go back and watch my videos on IOTA coin back in 2019 and 2020, I have been sharing this big bullish butterfly move with you when the price action formed this big bullish butterfly, and I was expecting a very big move. Now after playing this chart, we can see that the price line reversed bullish from this potential reversal zone, and that was even a very big move. You can see it was moved down at the very end of this buying zone that was approximately at 17 cents and rallied up to 37 cents, moved down again, and from the same level approximately this potential reversal zone, the price action again moved up, and we had a very, very powerful rally. That was you can see that was a very, very big move. This is weekly time frame, and this move was approximately up to $2.67. So therefore, this time again, this was on the weekly time frame, by the way, and this time again we have this formation on the weekly time frame, and while moving down, we have another breakout from this handle of the cup, and this is definitely a very big cup and handle. If I switch to the weekly time frame, you can see this cup and handle is even visible on the weekly time frame as well. And after this breakout, we can expect such move again. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon. I've shared the link to join me here in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.